G'day, just a quick video to let you know how to use my design on Thingiverse for parametric interlocking mini drawers. Okay, to put them back together, you just set the top one slightly back, push it down and slide it forward, like this. Not too difficult really. Okay, I also give you the Fusion 360 file, and that allows you to open this in Autodesk Fusion 360, and you can then customize the drawers to however you want. Everything is customizable, from the size of the magnet holes at the back to the heights, the widths, the lengths, even the size of the handle is customizable. So this is what we call a parametric design, and we just go to modify, change parameters, and we can then update the whole design by changing one parameter. It's like a massive spreadsheet. Everything is formula driven. So if I change the housing exterior height here, I'm going to change it to 42 millimeters. Then what happens is all of the drawings that reference this 32 millimeters change their dimensions to 42 millimeters. So when I change this to 42 millimeters, the drawer housing updates to 42 millimeters, but the drawer itself has to take into account the wall thickness and all of that sort of stuff, and then it'll calculate the correct value for the drawer itself as well. Now, I've tried to test all these values and all these formulas which are in the drawing, but if there are any wrong, I apologize, but mostly for me it'll work quite well. Very good. Now you'll notice here that it's actually overlapped because I changed the height, so we're getting some overlap here. That's okay, you can just press M and you can move the object or the body up a bit, and that's easily you can move things around so that you can see what's going on a bit better. Basically that's it for a change of parameters. We'll just change it back now to 32 because that's the height that I desire. But that's the strong thing about this design, is that you can actually change it and set any of the parameters that you like. And then once you've done that, all you do is you create an STL file for your slicer software. And the way you create your STL file is you look at the list on the left there, and you'll see that there's housing 1, 2 and 3 on the left. And you also see there's bodies. So housing 1, 2 and 3, self-explanatory. Any of those housings, they're all the same component really. So you can just right click on it and save as STL. That will bring up the default options are actually fine, so just press OK. Now to do the same with the actual drawer itself, you need to find the drawer which is in the bodies. So just expand bodies, right click on drawer, save as STL, and then you've got the same thing. Then you have custom STL files which you can open in your slicer software and print them up. So that's it. Thanks for watching.